Welcome back to another cleanup. We are back in the riverbed to pick up trash and it's gotten really cold, but that's not stopping us. Today will be a shorter cleanup than usual. As you can see, the sun is already quite low and I've got only about 1 hour of sunlight left. So let's get started. And here's already our first find for today, a classic plastic bottle. It's about 5 degrees below freezing today and I found another plastic bottle, but it's very much stuck under the ice here. Here's another one. Yeah. Unfortunately, I won't get it out. It's very stuck. The ice is very thick today. So for now, it's just those 2 bottles. And here's our first kayak for today. I hope we made it out because the ground is frozen and I'm not sure how hard it will be. Unfortunately, it's frozen. I can't get it out. I tried, but it's too hard. I'll pick it up the next time. A completely frozen glove. And another plastic bottle. I might not be able to get all the plastic on the ground out of the river today, but everything that is tangled up here on the banks, it should be possible to get most of it today. There we go. Let's remove all the smaller pieces now, and of course more plastic rope. There's our first bag for today. I have no idea what that is, but I'm very much sure that this should not be in the river. Another beverage, but even worse, I found this enormous piece of frozen plastic sheet. You can see it goes all the way up here. Yeah, I'll try to get it out. Yeah. So far so good. Look at that. Everything is out. And I think I'll need another bag for that. There we go. Another full bag of plastic that's out of the river. Another old pot. I found a similar one from this upstream a few weeks ago. Interesting. Uh-oh. I thought I was done for today and wanted to explore the old abandoned railway track that's running parallel to the river, and I found two suspicious looking containers. And another one.